All right, so I blame Paul. All right, this is your fault because I went out to Walmart and I just got this. And I went home and I cooked it to package instructions. And, mine came out a little on the caramelized side. And as I said earlier, on a wire rack, it's pretty decent. So let's give this a try. And no way, shape, or form am I trying to, like do anything other than follow suit. But one bite, everyone knows the rules. So there's really no flavor. This dough right here, it reminds me of like school pizza, right? So it's like the cardboardy but spongy. So it's a spongy cardboardy, not like the crisp cracker cardboard, but kind of spongy. You smell the parm, you smell it, or the caramelization of the cheese, but the sauce really has no flavor. There's really no flavor to it. There's no spice. There's no, if you look underneath here, it's just red, but there's no seasoning that I can see or taste. Oh, there's some specks of green on this side, but yeah, it tastes like school pizza. It has the texture of school pizza. So I give this a 4.1. All right, that's the review. 4.1.